And there is absolutely no flexibility when it comes to enrolling into precoce or into pre-K. So, in my opinion, and that's really what is getting on my nerves. Now, Mia is, every parent will tell that about their kids, but Mia is an intelligent little girl that knows her way around, already speaking, strangely enough, we never approached that practically, but speaking 4 languages, and she can now only enroll into precoce at 4 years old. She will be 4 years and 2 weeks when she finally enrolls into precoce, which shows to me that sometimes the flexibility, and that's again the human side, there are kids that are ready earlier, there are kids that should take their time, that where it makes sense to take their time. And so I feel a bit like we are too focused on a raw number. And I always joke, if she would have been born in the UK at exactly the same second, she would have enrolled already a year ago into precoce.